In today's video, I'm sharing with you how to make homemade crunchy saltine crackers. That's very easy to make and I hope you're going to give it a try. This is not just beautiful, super crunchy and delicious as well. Let's get started. In my mixing bowl, I added in milk, warm milk, a pinch of sugar and dry active yeast. I then stirred till well combined and then I added in melted butter, flour, salt and baking soda. I'll list the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. So once everything is added, go ahead and mix it well combined. The flour, I didn't add it to it all at once, bit at a time until it formed a dough. Once it has formed a dough, I went ahead and added in spring onions, chopped spring onions and sesame seeds. So mix till well combined until it has formed a dough. Cover it with a cling film and let it rest for at least 30 minutes, from 25 to 30 minutes. So this is the consistency you're looking for. It shouldn't be sticky at all. Keep it aside and let it rest from 25 to 30 minutes. After 25 to 30 minutes, line your working surface with parchment paper, transfer the dough on it and divide it into 2 equal parts. Keep one aside, flatten the other one with your palm and then flip the parchment paper. So all you have to do is to go in with a rolling pin and roll it very thin. The thickness should be less than 1 millimeter. After, use a pastry roll cutter to cut off the sides. Make sure you make it in a square shape and then use a ruler or you can eyeball it. I measure mine 3 by 3 inches. This is how you can cut it how you want to. When done, use a fork, create little holes with a fork as seen in the video, and then all you have to do is arrange them on your baking tray. Bake these bad boys at 170 degrees Celsius from 15 to 18 minutes. Maximum should be 20 minutes. 170 degrees Celsius from 18 to 20 minutes. And that's it, guys. That's very simple. It turned out super crunchy and it's delicious. I hope you're going to give it a try and let me know how it turned out in the comment section. If you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Follow my page, and guys, see you in my next video. Till then, just look at this. This is not just beautiful but delicious as well, guys.